What's going on, YouTube? It's your girl Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video, and I'm super excited because I have my Ipsy bag and my Ipsy Glam box, and we're gonna open both of them today. So if you want to see what's in each of my Ipsy Glam bag and my Ipsy bag, stay tuned. Welcome back. Yes, I'm so excited. Excuse my look, you guys. I just got back from Zumba and I checked the mail and I seen I had my Ipsy Glam bag or box. Well, I'm not sure what the word is. And my Ipsy bag. So I originally, if you've been following my channel, I have already been signed up for the Ipsy bag, which is $10 a month, and you get 4 to 5 sample size products of beauty products. But then I signed up for the Ipsy Glam Plus box or bag. And this is $25 a month, and you get 4 to 5 full-size products, which will still be based off of your Ipsy bag profile. So you do have to be, I believe you have to have a Ipsy bag membership first before you can go to the Glam Plus box. But then I'm not entirely too sure, so I will just check that out, okay? And we'll see which one is better. So I'm going to open the bag first, because, you know, we all like big size products. But let's open the bag first. This is my first love. I love getting this bag in the mail every month. It's so pretty. And yes. So this is our Ipsy bag for the month of July, and she's really pretty, tropical kind of theme. She has a peachy color with like green leaves and stuff, so very cute. Open her up. We have a little card insert, which, you know, I don't never read, and it says dive. Summer is in full swing. Let's soak it up with a dewy skin, beach babe waves, and shimmering budge-proof makeup looks. Guaranteed to keep those chill poolside vibes going all month long. Yes, that's so me. So me, y'all. So let's see what is in here. So first off, I see a highlighter. Ooh. I'm going to get her out the bubble wrap. And it is a highlighter from Wet n Wild. This is in Crown on. How can I talk today, you guys? Crown of My Canopy. It is a highlighting powder. So this is one product in there from Wet n Wild. This is nice. Then we have Twisted Sister Urban Therapy Curl Activator Cream, coconut and avocado and almond oils, define curls plus control frizz and add shine. Ooh, I'm excited to try that out in me and my daughter's hair because we are both natural gals. So this is nice. All right, next up we have the Roller Lash Black Mascara by Benefit. Ooh, so it's a nice size mascara, the Roller Lash. Let's open her up in black, which that's always nice for me. It's a nice little pint size. Ooh, and I'm liking that applicator. She is a little big, but the only difference is, because see, she's an inch, is that she's curved. Do you see that? Compared to that boxing one that I got. That one was crazy, but I'm excited to try this out. I've never tried eyelash mascara from them before. Next up, we have What's the Tea? Iced Tea Eyeshadow Mini Cool Shade. It's infused with hibiscus, and it's by The Balm. So this is her. Got a nice little eyeshadow. It's cute little packaging. Let's open. Ooh, what's the tea, honey? Iced Tea Eyeshadow Mini Cool Shade. The Buzz is the name of this shade. Ooh, I like that. That is pretty. What is the tea? Let's swatch her. Really nice blue color. Like, ooh, look at that. And that's just like one little swatch, not even rubbing my finger in it. This is cute. I can't wait to use her. Look at that. Very pretty. So let me get the last thing because it fell out the bag. And last thing we have, it looks like some kind of pencil thing. I'm not sure. No, I'll be watching stuff so I can be excited. This is by, it's a brow fix tint and shaper by La Beauté Fatal. So this is her. So let's open her up and see what she looks like because I'm very curious. Okay, so this, oh, I thought this was going to be the brush, but this is. Look at that. That's kind of cute. Brow fix tint and shaper. Ooh, if I had a little mirror with me, but I don't, I would because I don't have nothing on right now at all. But this is cute. You see how it's just like a little ball. Let me get this. Just a little ball. It's nice and round. I don't see any fibers on her or anything, but it says brow fix tint and shaper. So I'm excited to try that out. So I liked all the products out of my Ipsy bag, which is really, really nice. So let's see what is in the Ipsy Glam Plus bag box. I don't know. Quote, I'm not entirely too sure, so you guys, you know, help a sister out. All right, so we're getting her open, and whoa! Look, and she matches my shirt. How cute. So we open her up and she said, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. The Glam Bag Plus. So it's not box, even though it comes in a box. Okay. Because there's no bag in here. So when I remove the yellow, there's no bag in here. So it should be box. Glam Box Plus or something. So let's get in here. So first up I see is by Pixie Skin Treat. By Pixie, it's called Skin Treats. It's Glow Mist with propolis and argan oil. Nourishing mist. Okay. All over face mist for a glowing, luminous, smooth complexion. Ooh, this is nice. I would not mind trying this. And ooh, I could see the oils in it because, you know, oil and water separate. So when you shake it, see all the little oil bubbles at the top. Like, yes, give it a good shake. Ooh, this is nice. Next up is by Naked Cosmetics. If it's not naked, it's not natural. So by Naked Cosmetics, let's see what this is. Kind of excited. Ooh! Oh my goodness. So it is for, it's like glitters. But they're different shades. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let's break this open. Let's break it open. Oh my god, yes. It's 4 different shades. It's all stacked up. This is nice. By Naked Cosmetics, y'all. So, first up, ooh, they are loose pigments for sure. For sure. For sure. Don't want to have it all over the place. But it's by Naked Cosmetics. And we have Sierra Nevada, which is kind of like, I guess I'm going to touch it for y'all so y'all can see, okay? Just don't want to make a mess. Let's see. It's like a taupey, shimmery gray color. It's really, really pretty. I don't know if it's showing as pretty as it should on camera. My lighting be kind of off in here sometimes. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Alright, next up we have Naturally Nude. And it is nude. Look at that on my fingers, y'all. It's just glistening. So let's put it right here. Oh, look at that. She is like a nude champagne. Just nice glitter. Ooh, woo. Very, very pretty. Alright. Next up is going to be Sierra Nevada. Which is another, this one is even more champagne-ier than the first one. It's really pretty too. I'm gonna put it right here. You see that? Has a little bit more. They're damn near on my skin tone look exactly the same, to be honest with you. On my skin tone, they kind of look exactly the same to me. I see like a very slight difference. This one's more a little goldy and the other one's a little more pink, but look exactly the same. Sierra Nevada has a little more pinky undertone, so. And last but not least, hold on. This is Sierra Nevada too, but this is in SN5. And this is like a chocolatey brown. So pretty. You guys know that's me. Chocolatey brown. You know I love the glitter shimmers. Oh, look at that. Just beautiful. Yeah, that one is really, really nice. I really, really like that. That is pretty. Oh my gosh, I was not expecting this. Like out of coming out of here, was not expecting 4 little small loose pigment eyeshadows. Or is it shimmers? So next up, we have, this is by Beauties, the Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. Lightweight, oil-free water cream. Prime skin for makeup. We all need a good primer. Because I ran out of mine and I need some more. So my little makeshift bun keeps falling out. So this is her by Beauties. Looks really, really nice. Let's open her up and see. I might try to use her in the morning and see how my skin does. Green tea has a nice little silver seal on there. And let's see. It's just a white cream. It would have been cool if it was green, huh? Oh yeah. It smells really nice. I guess kind of like green. I'm not sure if green tea has like a smell. It just smells like lotion to me. But when I'm rubbing her on my fingers, it feels really slick. Like I like it when priming the face. We don't see. So next up we have is called Thrive Cosmetics Orchard Stem Cell Complex Length and Volumizing. Okay, Liquid Lash Extension Mascara. Okay, so this is a mascara that is supposed to look like you have falsies. So, okay, before my camera shut off, we was talking about this mascara that's supposed to make it look like you have falsies. So look at the back. Oh my goodness. So look at the back. It's supposed to be with the mascara and without the mascara. So I'm excited to try that out and see if it does work. And it's in black, which is called Bryn, which is a rich black. And let's see. Ooh, she's pretty. She's nice and turquoise. Got a silver little swirl. And she is hefty. Look, I'm using both my hands fit on this thing. Look at that. Wow, it's kind of big. And we're unscrewing. She's just really thick for, it's normal size. It just seems like she's really thick. Nice hefty liquid lash extension. So I'm excited to try this out. I'm not going to do that on now because I do have some strips on. And last but not least, we have the Huda Beauty 3D Highlighter Palette. I'm excited about this one. I did use the Huda Beauty foundation and I liked it. I just got the wrong shade. You know how Sephora be, the lighting. So I got the wrong shade, so I need to go back and get another shade so I can be rocking her. Ooh, this is really cute. It has like a little picture stock card, and then to kind of keep everything nice and clean. And then it actually has directions. It says prep, set, contour, or sculpt and flush. Sorry, contour, sculpt, and flush, which that's the same thing to me. So that is super nice. This is really, really pretty. Let's look at those colors. Look at that. This is pretty. So let's see and swatch. I'm so excited. Oh my God, it's like a cream. Okay, one felt really creamy and one felt powdery. So Barbados was creamy highlight and Maldives is a powdery. So this is Barbados right there, the nice creamy highlight. Ooh, that's so pretty. It's like, oh, look at that. Look at that. She just rubbed and blended in real nice. But she is creamy, you guys. And then we have Maldives, where she's a powdery. Ooh, that'll go real nice on top of that. That's why they said prep and set. Boo. Super cute. So next up, let me get this off my fingers, honey, because these are nice and pigmented. Let's Aruba. Oh, God. Feels like butter. Aruba and Bora Bora. So we let's go right here. We have Aruba. Super pretty. Oh my God, all of these will look good on me. Or Bora Bora. Look at that. Super pretty. It's just not giving it justice on the camera and my lighting, but that is beautiful. Oh my gosh. This is really, really nice. I'm really excited about this, you guys. Super cute. So I'm excited about all the products that I received from the Ipsy bag and my Ipsy Glam Plus bag plus. It's a weird name, but it just doesn't seem to roll off my tongue good enough. But anyways, please comment down below what you liked out this haul. What did you get in your Ipsy bag or your Ipsy Glam Plus box bag, whatever. You know what I'm saying? If you got anything different than I did, because I really am like all these products and stuff that I never used before and excited about using. And so for $25, that's not a bad box at all. And then for the Ipsy bag, it's 10 bucks. Come on, you can't beat that. I mean, and I love getting little goodies and the little bags to come with it. I don't know. I think they're both great. I can't decide. I don't know. You tell me down below which one's your favorite. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine.